she could never possibly lead a kingdom.
Kuti is already present, my lord.
I hold the power of light within me.
Kuti, no!
Ekraj,
Good evening to you too, King Garf.
we have come to challenge your dragon. A fight to the death. Kuti has been seen hunting hogs in our gardens. This is in direct violation of the hunting laws between our two kingdoms. She must pay for her greed with her life.
And what will you pay with for your lies, Garf?
How dare you, Ikraj!
How dare I? How dare you invade my home, boy? Very well. Summon Kuti forth.
Kuti is already present, my lord.
Do you deny it, beast? Do you deny your love of my hogs?
I do deny ever hunting them in your gardens, for they are barren and empty.
Enough! This ends now!
With my sword I divine your spirit round you 3 times I wind. Shadows blacker than the blackest dark. Rip a sword and leave your mark.
Kuti, no! Light doesn't give you the power. You had it already. The fire is inside you.
You transferred your power.
Yes. And now that your precious dragon is dead, the power of light is ours.
Yeah!
Why haven't we absorbed the power of light?
Yeah!
Why is nothing happening?
Yeah!
Because I hold the power of light within me.
What? You transferred your powers?
Stop!
Stop trying, precious Maya. None of us royalty can attack each other. Didn't your father tell you about the rules of the ridiculous treaty?
No.
Well, here is a reality check for you. Only someone who believes in themselves can ever find the power of light, for it is powered by
Love.
Ah! Don't say that word, it makes me sick. But in this case, it appears we have nothing to worry about.
Yeah, she could never possibly lead a kingdom.
So why don't we make this interesting?
I am listening.
Let's say in 10 days' time, Maya must lift 3 curses from the kingdom of the dark. If she succeeds, she returns to you with the power of light intact and the curse is lifted.
And if she loses,
Then all of you will be living in our shadows, slaves to the dark for eternity.
Then it is only fair that if Maya wins, Daksh becomes our slave forever.
I object!
Then no deal, Garf.
But I would still get to keep my snake, yes?
I
Father!
don't see why not.
I can live with that.
Father!
Indigo the peacock,
Yes, Your Majesty.
in light of your loyalty and bravery, I appoint you to accompany Princess Maya on a quest to lift the curses.
Yes, 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 yes! Indigo would be honored to go.
Do whatever you want, it won't help. I will also send an overseer of my own. I appoint my most beloved Scar.